Are you someone currently building websites for your client? Or you really wish you had an additional resources to help you with your web design business? So in this video, I'll be showing you some of the great resources to help you in your web design business. So hello everyone, I am Shagnik and welcome to Learn Overflow. The first website that we are gonna look into is Pixabay. So Pixabay has a huge collection of images or videos or even your vector graphics and illustrations. All this you get on this website is free for you and they don't charge anything. They also have the JPG and PNG formats available for you. You can use them for free on your website anytime. Even you can download images from them without having to sign in. Let me show you how. The next one in the list is color.adobe.com. Those who want, you cannot find out what colors to use for your website, Adobe would recommend you 9 different modes to give you a color platelets depending on what your website needs. You can directly go over here, find out the exact color platelet that you were looking for. You can select different modes of uh, find out a perfect color for you, and they even give you the exact hexa code for that color. So you can find the exact theme. If you have an particular gradient from other website and you want to know what that exact color gradient is, go over this exact gradient tool, upload your image, and they would give you the exact hex code for their website for that color gradient. Moving on to our third one in the list is caniuse.com. In order to know which browser supports which technology, you can see caniuse.com. It's a simple website where you can search for HTML, CSS, or JavaScript features that you want. After entering a value, caniuse.com will share you the in-depth analysis of which version of which browser will support that features. The fourth one in the list is Tinyjpg.com. So now you know that the images can be the biggest factor when it comes to websites being slow. This website reduces your image file size by around more than 50% to 80%. So they keep your quality intact. So use this website whenever you want, and you can just reduce your image size whenever it's required by you. Moving on to the fifth one in the list is javascriptinfo.com, javascript.info. So javascript.info is a tutorial website that gives you the modern JavaScript tutorial. In case you have missed out or you have just forgotten or just you want to learn JavaScript, so here you can learn JavaScript starting from scratch and go on to the advanced concepts like OOP. So they give you the various steps like the introduction, JavaScript fundamentals, then the improving your code quality, the objects basics, and so on. So they move on towards the uh, every modules in JavaScript, and last of all some miscellaneous modules that you need to know about JavaScript. So that's about JavaScript info. Moving on to the sixth one in the list is CSS tricks. So what this CSS tricks does, this is more than a website. This CSS tricks gives you every kind of guides. They give you various other factors. They give you newsletters. They give you videos, the books about CSS. You can know CSS. You can learn CSS to the maximum level possible. Moving on to the seventh one in the list is Siteinspired.com. So Siteinspired.com is a site that gives you inspiration. At times, it happens for us that we just uh, can't get a good inspiration for our latest projects. So, in that case, siteinspiration.com is the best for you. Go over to the particular subject category or maybe type category or the particular style of the website you're just looking for, or maybe the platform you were just looking, or directly search for your website that you want to know. So go over the subjects and then you can find a category that fits you right. So choose a image, choose a particular website from the list, and then you can load the you can get to see that websites from that particular category. So that's all about the siteinspired.com. Now, since you made it till far, so I want to give you my secret website that I use. So the eighth one in the list is Goalkeeper. So Goalkeeper is an programming notes for professional books. That gives you the free programming ebooks, and you can really learn a lot from these ebooks. You can find a wide range of books here from many fields. And here you can know about .NET framework, you can know about CSS, you can know about entity framework, and the similar way you can get HTML5, iOS development, Git, Haskell shell, you can know about JavaScript, jQuery. There are many free programming books available over here. Node.js, MySQL, there's a lot. Moving on to the ninth one in the list is JavaScript30.com. Okay, this is one of the important website that I wish I knew a much days back. So this is a website that teaches you 30 days vanilla JS coding challenge. So what you will do, they will give each day, they will just help you build 30 things with vanilla JS in 30 days. So if you're looking for good projects, if you're looking for something to do with JavaScript or something up to raise your own CV or resume, so go ahead with the 30 days JavaScript vanilla JS coding challenge. So here you will learn few of the topics like JavaScript drum kit, CSS and JS clock. Moving on with this, then we will learn about the slide in the scroll, and these are the other videos that you learn step by step and ending it with a countdown clock and a hack-a-mole game. So that's you can understand how this 30-day vanilla JS coding challenge will be helpful for you. Moving on to the last one in the list, and one of my favorite one is Cheatography.com. So Cheatography.com gives you huge cheat sheets from over 4,000 free cheat sheets, revision aids, and quick references. If you just want to look at any of this cheat sheet, you can look and you can get what you are looking for. So they also provide the cheat sheets in PDF formats. Looking into the programming cheat sheets, you can see if I go into the AngularJS cheat sheet and show you what it actually is, then you can see that this is how this cheatography cheat sheet is. You can see the every details in this particular cheat sheet, and this cheat sheet would be a really helpful for you. That's my promise. So that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope I can share with you some of the good sites that will help you in your life. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope to see you soon in my next video.